This is the Mouse Scares shop at Epcot. There is a line to get in. They limit how many people can go in. Oh, so tempting. I got the Halloween purse. I promised Robert I wouldn't get the Christmas one. It's tempting though. I'm rethinking my promise to not get that. No, I love my new, I got a backpack. I don't, he does know how I operate. He does. I like that sweater. Oh, I'm sorry, Spirit jersey. Why is that called a Spirit jersey? I don't know. Here is the Christmas Crocs. I'm not a fan of Crocs. I just don't like them. Here's a black sweatshirt. I like my jacket I bought.
Very nice, but this one.
I'm glad my gift store only had one option. This is the one I bought. I like these too. I wanted these, but I was hoping they would have been like the pleather, like the Halloween ones I got. These are like suede. They're neat. Wishes come true blue. What's that about? 40th anniversary or something?
Yeah.
Pins. Alright, so that little section was it on the Christmas? That's it? No, it has to be. There has to be more Christmas. That cannot be it. Ears. Let's see what kind of ears they got. Mulan. Figment. I don't know. Fanny pack. Look at that. Always good to see fanny packs. More ears with random colors. Alright, I'm going over here. I see Christmas stuff over here. I'm here for the Christmas stuff. Let's see what Christmas stuff they have.
Yeah, the exit is straight back.
Nutcrackers. I'm gonna get one of these, but I'm gonna wait. They have them at our gift shop. Stockings. Blankets. What is this? What is this? What is it? A musical tree plays a Christmas tree. That looks cool. You could have? Alright, so you could have. Did it sell out? Oh, when you had 30%. You weren't impressed by it. It's not impressive. Alright, what else? He only buys popular stuff. Alright. Ornaments. I kind of really wanted these, but oh my god, I just can't get over the price. $20 for mini ornaments. I just can't. I cannot. I can spend $12 on a margarita, but I can't spend $20 on an ornament. I know my reasoning makes no sense. No sense whatsoever. Christmas train. You really want the Christmas train? It ain't gonna fit in the suitcase. You're gonna have to order that on. Do they sell it online or is it a Parks exclusive?
Who knows?
Star Wars stuff?
I had a Christmas train for other stuff and nothing ever worked out right.
Nothing ever worked out. Sorry, honey. You just keep mentioning the Christmas train. That's why I'm like, if you want it, get it. It's okay. What is this Mickey thing over here? What is this? It is a iconic Mickey. It looks like just a vinyl.
It looks kind of floral.
Just a vinyl. Oh, they got wishables. What wishables do they got? They got Beauty and the Beast. I got the Aladdins. You what?
Shoulder things?
They're right here. They don't have.
These are all shoulders. Yep, these are all shoulder pieces. So there's a magnet in the bottom of that.
I don't see any of the Christmas ones. Did they already sell out of all the Christmas ones?
Yep, they all have that on there.
You leave the place. They have
Okay.
They had a Christmas one.
All right.
But there's no room.
No room. I don't know what this is, but it's pretty cool. It's a badge lanyard. It is huge. 80s hair. Oh my god. That's adorable. $24.99. Talking Groot. And the Christmas train again. Interactive Groot. So what do you do, Groot? It's your response to 20 spoken phrases. Must resist. I do love the interactive toys. It what?
I'll sit outside on the last car. It's very good for this time of year.
It's very nice, honey. Just get it if you want it. I don't know. You're gonna have to see if they ship it because it ain't fitting in our luggage. That's for sure. Kind of want the wishables. I have to must resist the urge to buy wishables. All right.
What's his story?
I don't know.
Is there like 50 different
At this point, they've overdone the Baby Yoda.
Yeah, they have.
They ruined it. Just like they ruined Vinylmations by having way too many. They ruined Baby Yoda by having way too many Baby Yoda merchandise. Alright. Didn't really see anything. I couldn't resist.
What are you looking for?
I'm just looking.
You find it?
Well, they have the wishables. Do they still sell the wishables online? Don't need them? Then I would say, let me go back to the Christmas over here, make sure I didn't miss anything. I want to see, just stop. I want to see I keep asking what these tins are and you won't pick them up. They are, ugh, gross. Peppermint bark.
At least you know for yourself now.
Now I know it's peppermint bark and I don't.
Peppermint bark that's white.
I don't like peppermint bark.
The chocolate.
I don't like peppermint bark, period. So there is that.
Well, there's that. There's the
Epcot mugs. Okay, was there something here that you wanted to see?
I just wanted to see.
All right.
You can
Yes. I do notice that magnet set, magnets, keychains, Christmas bags, grape soda.
Grape soda, what's that got to do with anything?
I don't know.
What did that have to do with? I never understood.
This was from Up. So the
okay.
wife gave the husband a grape soda bottle cap, and so it was just like a memory thing for them.
Makes perfect sense.
Remember that movie that made us both cry at the theater?
I cried at the beginning.
Well, yeah.
I started crying as soon as I started.
It's hard for anyone watching Up, but it's really hard for Robert because he lost his first wife to cancer, and so the movie was very
touching.
Very touching.
Hit home.
Hit home.
Yep.
So.
And I wish I never went to see it because I cried through the whole movie.
Yeah, that was like our third or fourth date.
Yeah,
So
I didn't know.
Not a good choice for a date movie if you've got baggage, and we got baggage. All right, they added too many people. This is ridiculous. Did they quit keeping track of how many people were here? All right. Oh, that's where's that? Hold on, I haven't seen that one. I haven't seen that Santa back tag. Where'd that one come from? One cookie jar. I got one of those. Robert bought me one of those. Sold out online. All right. Nothing I can't live without. It is a Disney Parks candy dispenser display.
Oh, yeah.
So it's a huge Pez dispenser. Is that what? Is that
okay. That's cool.
Is that what that means?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Okay, it is a Pez dispenser. See, you got these
Yeah.
Pez things, and you put them in there, and so they're riding the monorail.
Right.
Oh my God,
That's cool.
I actually want that.
That's pretty
And
cool.
I don't even like Pez. That's pretty cool.
That's pretty unique.
You can buy the, yeah, I like it. I've never seen that before. Santa's helpers. Do you want to get that?
Yeah, we probably should. Have you seen it anywhere else?
No, I've never seen it. All right, we got room in the car. I like it. Or suitcase. Yeah, that's what,
Oh my-
1,
oh
2,
my
3,
God.
4. 1, 2, 6 spots.
This
Wait.
is a very expensive venture.
Okay, let's see how much it is. Why am I not seeing a price on it?
Let me see if there's something. Very dusty.
All right, never mind.
How much are those?
They're $4.49,
Okay.
but there's not 6 of them.
So you got
1,
20.
2, 3, 4. What's
Who's
the
missing?
who's missing?
Mickey,
Pluto,
Minnie,
Pluto and
Mrs.
Daisy.
Duck. Mrs. Duck's missing.
Pluto and Daisy. I don't want it anymore. I
Okay.
changed my mind.
All right.
That was short-lived. I need my afternoon nap, so I'll be less crabby. All right, so this is the temporary mouse gears at Epcot while they are building a bigger one. Thank you.